Hey there! All the soaps that you see there are ready to be labeled and packaged, but before I do that, I'm going to run them through a couple tests. I'm first going to do a pH test using these litmus strips, and then a lather test. This first one up is my Tradie soap. I've made this before. It does have pumice in it for exfoliation. There you can see it has a nice lather. The second soap up is a popular one. It's my Wisconsin Waters. I've made this one several times. I know what it feels like. I know how it lathers. I'm very happy with it again, but I did want to run it through a pH test just to be certain it was safe to use. The next soap I'm using is new to me. It's called Espresso. It is made with coffee in the lye solution and coffee grounds as an exfoliator. It does feel very nice. It's creamy. It certainly smells like coffee. It's got a great coffee fragrance. The next one up is black ice, and you can see there that was about a 9 on the pH scale. And this, I have to say, is my favorite. It's a new recipe. It lathers amazingly. It feels wonderful. Lots of bubbles. And I do keep smelling it because the scent, it is black ice. You may be familiar with that scent, but it just smells wonderful. This one is definitely a keeper, and I will be using this recipe again in my future soaps. This one is new to me as well. You can see this one is about a 9. We want the pH to be between 8, 8.5. That was a 10 there, so it's closer to a 9, which is good and a safe product. This soap does have ground oats in it for exfoliation. I also added honey, which has sugar content, which helps with the lather. This last one is my Berkey Brew, also a new soap to me. I used beer for the lye solution. There is sugar in beer, so this helps with lather boosting as well. Feels very nice, creamy. And that's it. I've tested them all. Happy with how they turned out. And now I'm ready for labeling and packaging. Do you test your soaps before you label and package? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.